How to create a HubSpot account from scratch. Welcome to this tutorial on creating a HubSpot account from scratch. HubSpot is a powerful marketing, sales, and customer service platform that can help businesses of all sizes streamline their operations and improve their online presence. In this video, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process of setting up a HubSpot account, from signing up to customizing your dashboard. To get started, head over to the HubSpot website and click on the Sign Up button. You'll need to provide some basic information, such as your name, email address, and password. Make sure to choose the correct plan that suits your business needs. Once you've signed up, you'll be taken to the HubSpot dashboard. Here, you can customize your profile, add team members, and set up your account settings. Take some time to explore the different sections of the dashboard, such as the content library, contact database, and sales hub. Next, let's talk about the different types of HubSpot accounts. You can choose from a range of plans, including the starter, professional, and enterprise plans. Each plan offers different features and pricing, so make sure to choose the one that best fits your business needs. Now, let's dive into the customization process. You can customize your dashboard by adding or removing sections, creating custom reports, and setting up your email templates. Take some time to explore the different customization options and make sure your dashboard is set up to meet your business needs. Finally, let's talk about the importance of setting up your HubSpot account correctly. A well-set-up account can help you streamline your operations, improve your online presence, and increase your sales. By following the steps outlined in this video, you'll be able to create a HubSpot account that meets your business needs and helps you achieve your goals.